Okay, so we're ready to 3D print one of our projects. We open up the project just like this. We make sure everything's just the way we want it to be 3D printed. We go down to Part Studio right here and we right click on this. When we right click, we get a menu here. And one of the menu options is export. We're going to click export. We want the file name to be first and last name, our, and your teacher. Format is going to be an STL file. Millimeters. Resolution, fine. Options, download. It should look like this. You should have your first and last name, your hour, and your teacher. You should have the format, STL. It should be binary, millimeter, fine resolution, and then you're ready to export it and you click OK. That should save it to your downloads folder. So when I open up my downloads folder, I will have that file right here, this STL file. This STL file is what you're going to upload to your teachers. All right, enjoy modeling your keychains and have a great day.